Alright, here we have experiment number 6. We have our power source hooked up to our switch, which is then immediately hooked up to a 3.3 kilo ohm resistor, which is then in turn hooked up to a 10 kilo ohm resistor and our variable resistor, and these two here are parallel to each other. And then each of these resistors is hooked up to their individual lights, their own individual LEDs. And what we're going to do here is set our variable resistor all the way to the left, its lowest setting, and we're going to turn on the LEDs, or maybe we're not. There we go. Going to hit our switch, turn on the LEDs. We notice that the one on the left, which is hooked up to the variable resistor, is very bright, while the one on the right, which is hooked up to the 10 kilo ohm resistor, is very dim. Now we're going to increase the amount of resistance on our variable resistor and hit our switch again. And we'll notice that the LED on the right is now much brighter, and the LED on the left, which was the brightest, is now the dimmest. And then we're going to increase the variable resistor to its max resistance, hit the switch, and then we'll notice that the LED hooked up to the variable resistor is very dim, barely visible, while the LED hooked up to the 10 kilo ohm resistor is very bright.